So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Yoroi wallet, and in this video we are going to recover over Yoroi wallet. Yes, if you have already create account and you have saved your secret phrases, so by mistake your wallet is deleted from your system. So how can you recover your wallet with seed phrases? This is so simple and easy. In this video I am giving you complete information. But before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you can see here, right top corner, I have not any Yoroi wallet, but I have saved my seed phrases in my notepad file when I was create account. So today I need to recover or restore my wallet. So what will I do? First of all, I need to install or download Yoroi wallet. After that, I will use these recovery phrases for recover my wallet. Okay, so now going to click on it. Simple Yoroi wallet. Yes, you can see here. Now I have click on Yoroi wallet, and you can see here the first link is available here. Yoroi Lite wallet for the Cardano. So I need to download. So simple click on it, and then the main website or main page will be open in front of me, and you can see here the official website yoroi-wallet.com, and there is all information available here about wallet, secure, fast, simple features. You can also check the features. You can also swap, stake. So in coming videos, I will give you more information how to swap, how to stake. But today we are going to just recover, restore our wallet. So you can see here, there is shown available here option download. When I click on it, so there is 5 options available here: Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Android, and iOS. So today I am using Google Chrome, so that I will click on this option. If you are going to use Edge, Firefox, you can use these link according to your. Okay, so going to click on Google Chrome. Now you can see here the new page is open in front of me, and there is available Yoroi extension and all information available here. The Yoroi browser extension are used to control their fund with easy without synchronized to the blockchain. Means you don't need to download the all blockchain. You just simple download the wallet and use easily make the transactions. No need to download the all blockchains. Options available here. Okay, so now going to click on the add to Google Chrome. When I click on it, so option is available here, add the extension. So click on add extension because I need to recover, restore my wallet. So it's maybe take some time. You can see right top corner, the application is going to download. It's take me almost 20 seconds, 30 seconds. After that, automatically will be installed on my Google Chrome extension area, and icon will be shown in these area. So I'm waiting for this. Now the extension is downloaded successfully, and now Yoroi has been added to your Google Chrome. You can see here, shown here. I'm just simple click on it. When I click on it, so there is option language option. You can select according to your country language. I just simple click on English. You can also use the Japanese or Chinese or any country language. After that, click on agree. You must read the terms and conditions before going to use this wallet. So going to click on continue button. And then you can see here, join the journey to improve your eye. Provide anonymous an article about the visit extension pages, and you must read these options. We cannot access private key. We are not recording IP addresses, and we do not sell your data. These information is very necessary. If you can see here, there is shown the cross, so means you are secure or your wallet is secure. Okay. Now going to click on accept, and then allow Cardano payment URL. Its own depend on you. I'm just simple click on skip button. Then the main option is available here where you can easily restore your wallet or recover your wallet. The three options is available here: create a new wallet, restore existing wallet, and third is connect a hardware wallet. So I have a phrases. You can see here my all phrases will be here. So I need to restore my wallet. So keep in your mind, please don't use these need seed phrases for your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so going to use second option, restore existing wallet. Now option 15 word recovery phrases or 24 words recovery phrases. So going to open my notepad file. So you can see here there is 15 word recovery phrases. Now click on 15 word. If you have 14 or 24 words, so you can use second option. So I'm going to with first option. Now add the recovery phrases to your receive on your wallet creation process to restore your wallet in Yoroi. So I have safe. I'm going to try copy all my phrases like Control A, Control C, and going to paste here. It's maybe possible or not. Sorry, not possible. So what will I do? I just paste here one by one, or remove all digits from this option, but I'm going to copy all phrases one by one. Second is cage. You can also type. When you type, so word will be suggest you. Third, just simple click on it. Fourth number, I have adds all phrases on correct order. You can see here recovery phrases verified. All phrases I have put on this boxes. So going to click on next button. Now you can see here what is your wallet name and what is your password. You must read all information on this page. So simple click on continue button. Now use the wallet name, add a wallet, and now going to enter the password here. And now again enter my password here. I have put all information correctly. My wallet name, password, repeat password. Now going to click on restore button. Okay. So you can see here I have restored successfully my Yoroi wallet. If I'm going to click on, so you can see here my wallet shown here. If I have balance on this wallet, so must shown balance here, or transaction area, or balance area. Okay. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you restore, recover your wallet with the seed phrases. This is so simple and easy. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wolf Info, and also press the bell icon button. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.